Hi guys, happy Saturday. It is early afternoon. We are getting ready to head out the door to go and do some Christmas shopping. My guys need to do their shopping for one another and for Eric and I, so we're gonna go out, hit a few stores, hopefully not be out too long, and hopefully it's not super crowded. But that's the plan, so I thought I would say good afternoon. I was gonna say good morning, but it's definitely not that anymore. And we're gonna take you along with us, so let's go. Alright, so we're getting ready to go. We're gonna be chauffeured around by this guy. So
I won't kill him. Don't worry, you'll still get your videos.
Every time he's behind the wheel, I say a silent prayer.
Yeah, she's a scaredy cat.
I'm a scaredy cat. He makes me nervous.
All
not
because
not,
she complains about how far my mirrors go.
Not that he's not a good driver. He just drives very differently than I do. So
I like going fast.
Let us pray. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Austin.
Hi.
Hi, video. You
Hi,
ready
darling.
to go, Dad?
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
So we made it to Dollar Tree. Austin wanted to come here because he's decided for his Christmas gifts to Eric and I, he's going to fill our stockings for us. So he's got a whole bunch of stuff he's going to pick up here at the Dollar Tree for that. Oh, thank you.
Gotta unbuckle first.
Yeah, well, I was vlogging. I wasn't paying attention.
You know, I noticed that for a huge truck, it's so long that to have the back in the parking space, our front has to be sticking out of it.
Yep.
That's annoying. We should just park in the middle of it.
Alright. To Dollar Tree we go. Alright, so stocking stuffers have been purchased. We are all done in that regard. They shopped for our stockings while we shopped for theirs, so we are officially done with that. And now we're going to go and get a late lunch. It's 3:30. And then I think we're going to go to Walmart so that they can shop for one another, Walmart or Five Below or somewhere. And then we'll be all done with our Christmas shopping officially, which is exciting. And then we're going to go to Robbie's soccer game tonight.
Yes.
So, yeah,
I forgot all my crap, so we gotta go home anyway.
Yeah, I don't even know what time the game starts. I should check that, but we're just gonna go and get some lunch now. So we just got done shopping for Robbie in Walmart. We split up. Eric took Robbie to get Austin's gifts. I took Austin to get Robbie's gifts. He's all set. Now we're taste testing these, what are they, English toffee peanut M&Ms, which we hadn't tried before. Apparently, they were the winning flavor in whatever contest that we missed, but what do you think? They sort of taste like maple syrup to me.
Yeah, a little bit.
I hope I wasn't just covering up the microphone when I was talking that whole time. I can't tell you how many times I do that, but so English toffee peanut M&Ms a winner, or my favorite are peanut M&Ms. What are your favorite?
Peanut butter M&Ms.
Peanut butter M&Ms? So tell us down below in the comments, what are your favorite M&M flavor? I also really like the caramel ones. You drop one? Hey guys, so I just fell asleep on the couch for like 45 minutes and woke up with my eyes feeling like they were full of glue because I fell asleep with my contacts in, so I had to switch to my glasses. But it was pretty much necessary to nap because Robbie has his soccer game tonight and they scheduled it at 10 p.m., which is my bedtime, so we're gonna be up pretty late. He's in this indoor league and I think it was a total of 6 weeks. And he has a game every Saturday, and half the games were scheduled at 10 p.m. And that's just ridiculous in my eyes, but it is 7:30 right now, so we still have a little bit before we have to leave. But, yeah, 10 o'clock is when he plays. And the games only run for, like, 50 minutes or something, so it's not very long, but by the time I'm home, it's like 11:15, and that is way too late, in my opinion. So that means that because Eric isn't going to get to bed until 11:30, he's not going to get up. What was that?
Can't lay down.
It's fine.
I'm cutting off the top of your head.
That's okay. The top of my head's not my best part anyway. So because Eric's not going to get to bed until 11:30, that means he's not going to want to get up at the crack of dawn to go hunting. So he's going to go hunting tomorrow afternoon instead. So I don't like it quite as much when he hunts in the evenings. I prefer it when he goes in the morning. That way I can sleep most of the time that he's gone. But it is what it is. Anyways, I just thought I would check in with you guys, let you know what's going on. And I'll take you with me to the soccer game, show you a little bit. It's kind of hard to film there because they're behind a big mesh net to keep us spectators from getting hit in the face with the ball, which I greatly appreciate, but it does make it difficult to film. But what are you doing?
He really likes being on camera.
He does.
Well, honestly, that ain't that hard.
Gave you a clean shave right on the side.
Hey, got me back, got me back. Got me back. Come on, Robbie.
Go, go, go!
Drop back, drop back, drop back.
Go, go, go!
Oh,
Up!